Action video, September 9th wins, plus 531 pips profit. Yes. Get Fibo Quantum right now. Screenshots. What Fibo Quantum can do for you. Fibo Quantum predicts unexpected price movements with high accuracy. 4H1 screenshots. Plus 754 pips total. Yes. Get Fibo Quantum right now. 3 highly profitable trades. Power of dynamic signals in action. Fibo Quantum adapts to different market conditions. June 6th easy wins. Its signals are simply fantastic. Yes. Get Fibo Quantum right now. Plus 535 pips total profit on M15. Just look at these signals. Yes. Get Fibo Quantum right now. All trades won. Huge profit. Fibo Quantum is just too powerful. 4 wins/0 losses. Highly accurate trades with Fibo Quantum. Yes. Get Fibo Quantum right now. Interface. How it looks in action. Conservative mode. Signals frequency equals normal. Safety equals high. Volatility detection equals optimal low risk. Medium mode. Signals frequency equals high. Safety equals average. Volatility detection equals sensitive moderate risk. Aggressive mode. Signals frequency equals extreme. Safety equals low. Volatility detection equals highly sensitive high risk. Success. You will discover how to open and close your trades to make the biggest possible profit from almost every price movement. Stick with me, because I'm about to show you how it works and how it can turn your trading career around. Fibo Quantum will show you when to enter your trades and where to set your take profit and stop loss levels. You will be executing trades exactly as shown by Fibo Quantum right on your chart and watching the price as it reaches take profit levels one after the other. The more experienced you become with this tool, the better decisions you will make, and the more profits you will keep making. Accurate. Simple and smart indicator. It's such a simple and smart set and forget tool that once you start working with it, you will start thinking like a real trader. You will no longer have any amateur trading ideas and attitudes. The algorithms that make Fibo Quantum so accurate and profitable have been developed over years of painstaking research and analysis. We equipped Fibo Quantum with our own trading secrets and fine-tuned the special algorithms used by the big banks and investment houses to multiply their profit in the markets. This was only used by the big players until now. Confidence. More control. I want to give you, the individual trader, more control over your trading and help you generate big profit that was previously available only to a chosen few. Once you employ this tool, you will realize the reliability it brings to your daily trading, and see how powerful it is in helping you to make profit. You will be able to increase your lot size and start trading like the big Forex players. In fact, by using Fibo Quantum, you are already leaps and bounds ahead of the average trader, who is depending on gut feelings and expert recommendations. How does this indicator work with such precision? Why does it give consistent, profitable signals? How can you take advantage of this opportunity and improve your trading? How much can you profit with Fibo Quantum? I'm sure you have plenty of questions popping up in your mind. And I will answer all of them. My story. Let me introduce myself. To those who don't know me or aren't familiar with my work, my name is Carl Dittman, and I started trading and teaching how to trade way before most gurus out there had even heard of Forex. I'm a coach and speaker as well. I know how you feel about losing money in Forex because I used to be just like you. I almost gave up, before I discovered some key tools that helped me up my game and make enough profits to sustain my livelihood and that of my family. No, I did not become a millionaire overnight, but consistent profits over a long time enabled me to amass quite a fortune in Forex and helped me lead a fulfilling life. Why am I doing this? I am doing this for my love of Forex and the chance to change lives of my students and their families. I don't want you to lose all your hard-earned money in blind trades. I don't want you to grope around without understanding how Forex trading actually works. Unless you learn the fundamentals of trading, learn how to position yourself and use the trading tools needed, you will lose money. I assure you. Most people who aren't trading professionally see Forex as a gambling game of sorts. Well, let me tell you something. You can find better luck buying a lottery ticket. You wouldn't lose as much money for a ticket. With breakthroughs in technology and the latest tools available to traders, almost everyone can be making successful trades if they're prudent and sensible enough. Make sure you watch this video till the end to discover how Forex Quantum can bring consistency in your trades and stability into your life. Now, let's get back to how it actually works. Remember how many questions you had about how this tool can help you? Let's start. Fibonacci. What is Fibo Quantum? Fibo Quantum is a unique Forex indicator based on the age-old Fibonacci sequence and the golden mean. Fibo what is this? Forex voodoo? No. No magic of any kind here. To explain more about the Fibonacci sequence and the golden mean, we need to go a bit back into history. Bear with me because it's important for your financial well-being. Anne. That's why you are here. Right? When we look at the history of the human race, we tend to notice a lot of unmissable patterns. Wherever we look. Man follows science. Science follows nature. And nature follows a pattern. Keen observers have taken note of this, and some of the smarter ones are making profit from the predictable nature of this pattern. Here is a famous quote for you. There are only patterns, patterns on top of patterns, patterns that affect other patterns. Patterns hidden by patterns. Patterns within patterns. If you watch close, history does nothing but repeat itself. Novel by Chuck Palahniuk, Survivor. Unique method. It's easy to make profit from price patterns. Did you know that everyone from the large hedge funds to investment banks have sizable trading teams that simply observe and make decisions based on patterns? There are numerous investors from Marty Schwartz and Ray Dalio to Paul Tudor Jones that depend heavily on technical analysis to run their billion-dollar funds. The price fluctuations may look extremely volatile to untrained eyes, but over periods of time, they usually follow a set pattern. Those who know this are making profit from these patterns. These people have already developed their own analysis and observation methods that have made the task much easier than it ever was. A significant pattern that investment analysts depend on to develop their funds is the Fibonacci sequence. Confidence. Using Fibonacci in Forex is very powerful. Fibonacci sequence is a special sequence of numbers that can be found in nature as well as in financial markets. The sequence was discovered in the 13th century by Leonardo da Pisa, who was amongst the most talented mathematicians of the Middle Age. Leonardo came to a conclusion that there was a preset series of numbers and ratios that determined the natural proportion of things in the known universe. In a Fibonacci sequence, every number is the sum of the previous two numbers. Let me illustrate the sequence 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, and so on. When taken into the context of the Forex markets, Fibonacci ratios indicate powerful price levels that force the market to move in the expected direction every single time. But now, unbeatable accuracy. Successful Forex traders use Fibonacci indicated levels to pinpoint exactly where to place their orders and where to close them to make profit. When you measure the ratio of any number to the succeeding number, you get 0.618. This is known as the golden mean. Traders following Fibonacci sequences and the golden mean have found ways to use this information to predict where the price will go with an unbeatable accuracy. My team and I have spent a considerable amount of time researching, developing and optimizing Fibo Quantum, one of the best and most reliable Fibonacci indicators we ever created. Fibo Quantum is not complicated. It's actually much easier to use than you might think. Text. It's so simple that even newbies can start winning big trades in just a few minutes. Fibo Quantum has 3 trading styles that impact the speed of its signals. There are aggressive, medium, and conservative trading styles. You can try all of them and choose the one that best suits your own vision of trading and your preferences. Plus, for the more experienced traders out there is also custom trading style that allows users to manually configure signals and gives even more flexibility. Even someone with almost no trading experience can read the simple trading rules given in the user guide and follow the indicator's signals to consistently make good, stable profit. Instead of sitting glued in to catch lucrative price movements like the average traders do, with Fibo Quantum you will get simple signal alerts every time there is a new trading opportunity. Fibo Quantum will also give you a signal when the buy-sell entry levels are reached so that you can immediately open your trade. The algorithm is developed in such a way that traders can make profits with their eyes closed. The signal alerts are sent via email, pop-up, and mobile push notifications, so that you never miss any profitable price movements. Fibo Quantum makes your trading exponentially successful and super convenient. I am sure you do. I have some screenshots for you showing what kind of trades you can be making with it. See how much easier making profit will be for you, and the radical changes this indicator can bring to your trading and life. Okay, please pay your full attention now. British pound/Japanese yen. 33, 76, and 80 pips profit. If for some weird reason at any time within the next 60 days you are not fully satisfied with the Fibo Quantum, I will refund your order in full because I want you to feel safe. All the risk is on me. You can give it an honest try for full 60 days with no questions, no hassles, and no headaches. 100% money back guarantee. Why are we giving 60 days full money back guarantee? I'm so confident you'll absolutely love this indicator that I'm willing to bet on it with our full 60-day money back guarantee. How can I be so sure? Well, just take a look at the countless profit screenshots. Again, if you decide that for some weird reason, this tool is not for you, then let me know and I will return every single penny. No questions asked. Basically, I'm not happy to accept your money unless you are completely satisfied with this amazing Forex indicator. So there is zero risk, you simply cannot lose here. Exact same tips that helped me achieve total financial freedom. Okay. Here's my first challenge for you. Put these 5 very important tips that I'm about to share with you into action as soon as possible. And when you do, you'll experience the difference they can make and you'll experience it the right away. Learn these 5 pro trading tips to use and see immediate results. Pro trading tip number 1. Never, and I do mean never, consider Forex as a path to get rich quickly. Always factor the risks and efforts that must be put into achieving such a goal. Pro trading tip number 2. Be careful with your lots. You can make good money even with a small initial deposit, and there is no need to open large positions to make decent profit. Pro trading tip number 3. No emotions allowed. A lot of newbie traders get caught up in the emotions and forget everything they've learned. I think by now you might already understand where this might lead. Pro trading tip number 4. Be consistent. Stick to your trading system and don't add or remove anything. This will allow you to have a much better idea of what exactly is working and helping you win more trades. More importantly, strategy of being consistent will help you understand where you are going wrong and what to fix. Pro trading tip number 5. I like this one a lot. Love it and enjoy it. Your motivation and positive outlook are two important keys to becoming a successful trader. Focus on the process of proper, well-considered trading rather than worrying about the amount of money you could win or lose. These are the 5 tips that I always share with my new clients. They are very important. We don't even start trading until they can repeat each of them without missing a word. FAQ: Find your question here. We are doing our best to give the highest possible value and personal attention to each Fibo Quantum member. Installs in 5 minutes. Installing Fibo Quantum is super easy. Download it instantly from the members area. Copy and paste to your MT4. And activate your trading account number. That's it. You are ready to trade. Step-by-step user guide. Together with the Fibo Quantum package, you will be getting a detailed step-by-step user guide. It covers everything you need to know in order to get the most out of this fantastic trading tool. 60 days full money back guarantee. No questions asked. I'm 100% confident that Fibo Quantum is capable of giving you great results, so I am willing to give you 60 days full money back guarantee. No questions asked. Updates and improvements. We are always thinking of how we can improve Fibo Quantum. As soon as we come up with new powerful updates, you will get them at absolutely no cost. My personal email support. I enjoy helping traders. At one point of my life, I was the one who needed help and assistance. But now, with all my experience and knowledge, it's my turn to help. Just send me an email and ask anything you want. Lifetime Fibo Quantum license for 1 real live account. 1 order of Fibo Quantum will generate 1 license, which will work only on 1 trading account. However, this license is given to you for a lifetime. No limitations.